If you've ever wanted to DJ at a party but you didn't know where to start, or you felt like your mixes didn't quite sound right, I've got the perfect solution for you. In this video, I'll show you how to mix Spotify with Serato to create amazing beats that's going to blow your friends away. Right out the window. Alright, first, let's talk about connecting Spotify with Serato. So while Serato doesn't support Spotify directly, you could use SoundCloud Go Plus. This subscription service lets you access millions of tracks in Serato, making it easy to find new songs and instantly add them to your playlist. Next, you're going to need to set up your Serato interface. So open Serato and you'll see two decks, each representing a song. So use the sync button to make sure that your beats match, or manually adjust the tempo using the pitch slider. This is going to keep your mix smooth and seamless. Now let's discuss organizing your playlists. It's important to sort your music by energy level, genre, or vibe. So create playlists like party vibes or chill beats so that you can quickly find the right track for any moment during your set. All right? So one of the coolest features in Serato is using effects. So you can apply reverb, echo, or flanger to give your mix a unique sound. So try using these effects between songs to make smooth transitions or add cool drops to hype up the crowd. Finally, you're going to want to record your DJ set. So once you're feeling confident with your mix, you're going to use Serato's recording feature to capture the entire performance. You can then share it with your friends or post it online to show off your DJ skills. Leave me a like. Love ya. Ciao.